Good evening. It's the 23rd of April 2025 and tonight I'm in Tunstall Park just to have a quick look at the cherry blossom on all the trees and just see how beautiful they actually look tonight. So I'm walking in from the top entrance down by the boating house, the old boating house, which apparently they do say they're going to reopen and do something with. So that's going to be interesting. Let's go check it out. So there's one of the cherry blossoms there in the park here. And this park here in Tunstall is called Victoria Park. Look at the Canadian geese there as well at the edge of the pool. And as I say, look at all these beautiful cherry blossom we've got here, all pink and white and looking absolutely amazing. And Daryl's going to send the drone up there, I think, in a minute. You can fly the drone up and have a look at with the drone. There it is. Look at that. That's just absolutely spectacular, really, to look at something like that, isn't it? And get such an amazing view. A lot dropped off the trees now as well. Let's take a look at that. Just check that out there. That's absolutely fabulous, that is, to see that tree in all that colour. Have another look at that. And as I walk up here, just look how beautiful it looks. Look at all the cherry blossom on the grass here. So I should imagine these have been in bloom for quite a while now, and they've actually now really started to drop, which is a shame because they do look absolutely wonderful, really, when they're out in full bloom. Absolutely amazing. A lovely night tonight, but it is quite cool. But at least it's dry. And we've been able to come and bring you this particular video tonight. Let's just look back this way and see what we can see that way. And Daryl's down there, actually flying down there. Absolutely amazing. Look at the water, the lake and everything there. That looks fabulous as well as you look at that. And just up there we've got a couple of fishermen.
Strong faith, close family, choosing love in the midst of tragedy. When I met you, something changed in me. I'm better with you than I'll ever be. 'Cause when you walk into a room, life gets a little sweeter. When I look at you, I see a little clearer through the years. up fast and got a little gritty. We found love, worked hard, bought a house with a big backyard. When I met you, something changed in me. I'm better with you than I'll ever be. 'Cause when you walk into a room, life gets a little sweeter. When I look at you, I see a little clearer. Through the years and every change, we'll put up a fight. 'Cause you're my love, my everything. You are my life. Sweeter. When I look at you, I see a little clearer. Through the years and every change, we'll put up a fight. 'Cause you're my love, my everything. You are my life. You are my life. My life. Sweet laugh, big heart, a smile that could light up the dark. Strong faith, close family, choosing love in the midst of tragedy. When I met you, something changed in me. I'm better with you than I'll ever be. 'Cause when you walk into a room, life gets a little sweeter. When I look at you, I see a little clearer. Through the years and every change, we'll put up a fight. 'Cause you're my